Good morning, everybody. Running a little bit late here, but here we are. It's Monday, the 11th of May, 2015, and we're going to look at Three Little Pigs trading strategy and no indicators in the markets this morning. So, excuse me, Three Little Pigs is a free ebook available over here on the website. The indicator I'm using today is available on the website here. Swing trading indicator for MT4 and the Three Little Pigs. And lastly, I will cover the no indicators trading strategy, which is available over here on the website. So in we go. And just to mix things up a little, I'll start with the no indicators trading strategy this week. So I reported in this the last couple of weeks as well. So we had a break-even stop in here on our long trade. We got stopped out last week. Maybe it was the Friday before, actually. Maybe it was 2 weeks ago here on the Friday. But we got stopped out for break-even. We took a short trade, and the surprise election results, I reckon it's the only thing, the main driver here. So the surprise win by the Conservatives. So this took out, this gave the pound some strength, took out our stop. So we had a full loss here on the short side. So we're long again at the moment. We've retraced back a little here. So if you didn't get in here, you can get in here. Stop loss on this trade is here. Euro USD, we had a break-even stop in place here. We almost got stopped out, just a few pips here. So then we pushed to make a new high. Wasn't really worth moving the stop loss here. It's a matter of 2 pips. So I just left the stop at break even here. So free trade here. If we push higher here, we can obviously lock in a little profit and look to see if euro is going to finally find some strength. And euro JPY, it's quite a similar shape. So our stop loss wasn't quite break even here, but last week when we made a new high here, moved the stop here on Friday. I moved it on Friday morning. I moved my stop loss up to here. So in the money stop loss here. So once again, like with Euro USD, just wait for a push higher and we can move the stop up a little. So no great action here, but we're in the game. And if you're trading the 15-minute, I had some time last week and traded the 15-minute on cable and made something like 3% based on 1% risk. So nice return there. Actually made up for this 2% loss. So if you are finding these, if you do see something like this on the 4-hour, for sure on the 15-minute you're going to be making money. So whilst the 4 hours choppy, by the very nature the 15-minute should be paying you back any choppiness and any losses. Okay, over to Three Little Pigs. And really not a lot to report. I mentioned this at the weekend in the report for those of you that read it. So Aussie dollar, nothing happening here. Weekly's down and the daily's up. No trades there for us. We've got the weekly down and the daily up here. This is Euro GBP. I mentioned this in the report. This was a late entry that we took here when all the trends were lining up. Some of you emailed me around about this time of the day when the daily went back up because price action came here. And if we look on the daily time frame, we can see that, you know, we were below, above, below, above, and in actual fact we're back above now on the daily. Do I exit the trade? No, because basically I've got a valid entry signal here according to my rules, and the only exit criteria I have is if my trailing stop gets taken out. So regardless of what these trends do, if I've got a valid entry until my exit criteria is met, which is my trailing stop is taken out, then I'm not going to exit this trade early. So still short here. If you didn't get in at this close, then you can still get in now for sure, and your trailing stop wherever you choose to place it. Euro JPY, the weekly's down and the daily's up, so nothing there for us. And Euro USD were down and up, and cable's the same, down and up, all very similar shapes here. USD CAD were up and down. GBP USD, when it's down and up, it's typical that USD CAD will be up and down. USD Swiss, we've got confirmed trend here. Sorry, down and down. So we made just a very small profit here on a previous trade. The entry was back here and made just a few pips here, nothing worth shouting about. So I didn't take this signal because I was already in this trade from over here. Stopped out here, and then now we're waiting again. When this 4-hour rolls over, then and closes below the moving average, we'll have a short signal. And the only signal so far this week is on USD JPY. So this just triggered on the close of this candle this morning, second candle of the week. So we're in a long trade here from the close of this candle. Nice tight stop just below the moving average, as taught on the one-on-one session. So if we do see a really good move here now, with the tight stop, this is where we can make some good money back. So fingers crossed for a move up on the USD JPY. And just for those of you that like gold, I mentioned it many times, I'm not a real fan of gold, so I don't trade it much, but you're just about to get a short signal here on close of this candle. Mine's going to be in the next 3 hours. And on that note, thank you all for watching and listening, and wish you all a successful trading week. All the very best. Bye.